Nvidia just dropped a bombshell, a quantum computing lab in Boston. Teaming up with Harvard and MIT, they're chasing the holy grail of tech. Is this Nvidia's next big flex? Let's break it down. Hey tech fam, welcome to GadInsider. Nvidia's making waves this week with a shiny new quantum research center in Boston. Think AI meets quantum magic. Today we're diving into the hype. Stick with us. So what's the scoop? Nvidia's Accelerated Quantum Research Center, NVAC, launched this week in Boston, partnering with brainiacs at Harvard and MIT. Tech Explorer's March 1st, 2025 drop says it's packing Nvidia's GB200 NVL72 supercomputer, 576 Blackwell GPUs to crack quantum algorithms. X is buzzing. Nvidia's bridging AI and quantum. It's not building quantum chips yet, but simulating them with AI to solve biggies like error correction. This is next level. Why is this trending? Nvidia's AI dominance, $72 billion net income last year, is flexing into quantum frontiers. Harvard's quantum initiative and MIT's engineering quantum systems are all in, targeting breakthroughs. Think drug discovery, material science, faster than ever computing. Ex-users call it Nvidia's power move. No tax breaks needed, just pure Boston brain power. It's live later this year, blending academia and industry like never before. What's cooking? The lab's tackling quantum noise in hybrid AI quantum apps. CUDA-Q's the secret sauce. Could this speed us to practical quantum tech? Say 10 years, not 20? Nvidia's betting big. CEO Jensen Huang says it's about useful quantum supercomputers. Will it outpace rivals like Google or IBM? 2025's looking wild. Are you hyped? Nvidia's quantum leap or just hype? Drop your take in the comments.